Hey guys, I have been procrastinating for way too long, and for context, not next week, the week after next week is finals. Like, all my exams back to back are in 2 weeks. Yeah. And I've just been watching YouTube and sleeping and eating and being sick, because apparently my body also likes the idea of procrastinating. So yeah, I haven't studied anything. And you know, when I hear my friends saying they're studying, it actually kind of worries me, because I'm like, you know, I might actually be cooked. And today I made that realization in class. So that's my sign that I need to lock in. But before I lock in, I need to clean my room, because I can't focus in a room as dirty as mine. For context, let me show you what my room looks like right now. This is my desk. Absolutely messy. This is my bed. Also absolutely messy. The floor, messy. Laundry to be done, laundry to be folded, and Jonathan has been doing nothing. So I'm kind of using you guys. That sounds weird. You guys are going to hold me accountable, because obviously I'm not going to start a video and then embarrass myself. Well, I mean, I already embarrassed myself by putting how much of a procrastinator I am, and also how I look right now. But yeah, so these are all the things I need to do. Alright guys, look at what we've accomplished. And by we, I mean you guys and I, because obviously what I needed was adult supervision. So I'm finished cleaning up my room. Everything looks a little bit more presentable now. That's a beanie, that's my scarf, towel. Those can be fixed. I need to put hangers in my closet. But apart from that, everything else is clean. I do need to wipe my floor, but I'll do that another time. It's like midnight right now. I cleaned my desk, my shelves, and we're just going to ignore right here, because oh my days. We have about an hour to wait on that. You guys are probably like, why do you suddenly have a beanie on? And that's because I can be seen like trash on YouTube, but not in front of my friends. Are you mad? No, I'm joking. It's because down here is cold and I don't want to get sick again, or like worse sick. So I put this on, but I don't really care how I look anyway. I look so weird fucking in public, but I don't really care how I look anyway. Alright, so this is Jonathan in bed. It is really late right now. It's like 1 in the night, or in the morning I should say, technically. But I need sleep. I'm actually pretty tired. So, see you guys in a few hours. Good morning, guys. Wait, let me open the curtain more. It is really cloudy. It's like 8:30. I just woke up. I slept through my alarm because I was really tired. So I need to shower and then go to class. Alright, good morning again, guys. I am on my way to class. I have mental health. Wait, no, I don't. I have Chinese history, something like that. So I am going to class. It looks mad dark outside. You guys will see in a minute. But yeah, see you guys on the way to class.
Hello, Jonathan's blog. What's up? Please like and subscribe and comment.
Yes,
all these weird comments are me. Please join me in doing these weird comments, in writing and uploading these weird comments. I love all of you.
And you guys know EJ already.
Hey, what's up, guys? Like and subscribe to Mr. John. Oh, my man. No. Dr. Jonathan.
Oh,
future doctor. Dr. Daddy.
Whoa. You guys, I'm late for class. Alright, see, those guys are hilarious. But I just realized I left my gloves and I'm cold. And I think it's like 1 degree to 2 degrees. It feels like 2 degrees. I'm pretty late and it's kind of rainy. I don't want to get caught in the rain when I'm sick. So yeah. Yo, I dropped 30 coin.
30 coin? How heavy is that? Let me see. Yo, that's a good amount though.
Why do you always do this though?
How much did you spend?
14.
14.
14, yeah.
Wait, let me see how heavy it is. Okay, yeah, that is like double the weight, bro.
Exactly.
That is like over double.
Look at the junk that we got.
Guys. What? Sorry, got me a birthday present. And it matches the kind of stuff I like, actually. Yes, Sarah.
What
do you have? Yo, I feel like a news channel. Yo, this is golden. Oh, I can feel my inner child coming out. Starting.
Class is starting.
动物还有东西，东西。
Alright, so Chinese just finished. Nicholas is dying.
Huh?
I have to get to my room because it's almost sunset and I don't want to be out before I can't even talk actually. Basically it's almost sunset, and if you know anything about Adventists, we observe Sabbath. So from sunset on Friday to sunset on Saturday we worship. So I'm going back to my room for that. Okay, I wasn't planning to record. It's Saturday night. I don't think I mentioned this before, but my birthday is the 21st of December. So it's pretty much my birthday. And well, it is my birthday because it's like after 12 right now. But basically, my friends just stopped by. They got me this that I've actually been. I saw this in a store when we went to the mall, and I was like, yo, should I buy this? And I took it up to buy it, and I was like, nah, I think that's kind of silly. At the time, I hadn't bought a fridge or like the stuff I needed for my dorm yet. So I was like, I shouldn't buy this yet because I need to prioritize what I'll buy. But they got this for me. Mind you, I'm turning 20, so I really shouldn't be acting my age. But I got so excited. I also got excited because I got Hot Wheels. And that's just kind of the kind of person I am. I love toys. Although I'm turning 20, I probably could be turning like 12. That's literally what I am. I can literally, bro, I'm so excited for this. I'm just going to put up darts on my room and shoot them. This is sick. Okay, so editing Jonathan here, I realized I didn't put a clip. I didn't record what this was like shooting or anything. So this is what they got me after it was like unboxed and everything. Basically I nerfed it, and let's see if I can hit you guys. Oh, beautiful. Can you tell I've been practicing instead of studying? Oh, that dart fell out. That's kind of funny. Again, let's see. Okay, I think I did a pretty bad job at vlogging today, but my friends and I are going to this restaurant, this Western restaurant in the city. We're just going to go have a small celebration for my 20th birthday, and yeah, I'll see you guys there probably. I don't think I'm going to really vlog. I'll probably just insert clips, and yeah, that will be it. So see you guys.
Calm down. Why are you filming it?
Alright, hey guys, it is the next day, at least from when you guys saw the last clip. I just had class, but I'm still really tired, so I got a cup of coffee. So I'm going to study some math and drink my coffee, of course. But yeah, I'm going to study some math because that's the first exam I have, and I'm not ready. Like I haven't gone through anything for math so far. So yeah, you guys will be joining me for my study session. Alright guys, I have class now, so I'm going to get to class. I'll see you guys in the next video because I feel like this one is already long enough. The next one will just be studying for finals, like entirely histology, math, probably a bit of physics and Chinese. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, later, guys.